Golly! Right by the bank. Oh, this challenge has evolved quite considerably. I gotta make this quick because, you know, it has been pouring down rain all day. This is the second day, second day. And, I have to give a shout out to, a fellow angler that has, this challenge has become, he gave me quite literally more tackle than I own. I mean, I have baits that I've never used, that I've never tried, and I'm gonna see how this challenge has become how many fish I can catch on these lures. He gave me a whopper plopper. I mean, see this guy? He gave me a whopper plopper. He gave me tons and tons of top water, tons of fishing. Shout out, by the way. Thank you so much. I mean, this is incredible. And all right, there we are. It's got some big claws on it. Big old claws. I wonder if I can get this big one to hit again. Probably not. It's worth a cast. With this Texas rig, I can run right through this stuff. I just don't use it a lot because it's more of a nuisance to deal with. Just a little bit more of a nuisance to handle. Same shoreline. Same shoreline. Yeah, same old shoreline. I'm gonna try to see how many of these lures I can knock off. How many fish I can catch on these guys. I mean, I've got these swim baits. I've got 1,000 lure thingamajiggers. I've got power pros. It's incredible how much stuff he gave me. So stay tuned. I've got about 3 hours, hopefully, before those storms get here. Wish me luck, and yeah. All right, next on the list are these little net baits from net baits, I guess. Get the net, little mini craws. And I'm going to be rigging this, I'm actually going to be going Texas rig on this one. Actual, quite literally. I don't fish as much, but, you know, this is a little bit too small to fish along my jig head, so I'll make a little Texas rig with a little off-shank hook here. Let's see, dark or bright, I don't know. Here that goes, and so by basis of comparison with the head up, that's got to be like that. And that's got to go to, boy, that's a little long shot, off-shank. I'll take a little look. See that? I bet you just saw that on the camera, that bass come up and grabbed it. I didn't recognize the strike at first. I'm seeing fry down here. Oh, dang, that's a big one. Right by the bank, right by the bank. Oh, God. I mean, there was not much I could do if I was going to let him go for a minute. He was going to spit it out, so I had to set the hook fast, and hook just popped out on me. Hope you guys got to see it good. I don't mind missing him as long as I get to see him. I know which bass that is. Like I always tell folks, I don't get mad when I miss a bass, because I tell them I know where you live now. So many lures, so many things I can try. I'm a bit overwhelmed. Got it again. Got him. I wasn't. Got him. Well, first fish. Beautiful bass, huh? Got him on that 1,000 lure thing. See you. Thanks for it. Now, let me try one of these little Ned rig things. I'm not gonna hook this, the same way as other folks do. I'm not gonna hook this as a straight up Ned rig. I'm on Texas rig this because it's doggone rocks are gonna drive me Looney Tunes with a straight up Ned. So I'm just gonna rig it like that. Have the Texas rig right on it like that. To do the same job, except not get snagged in the rocks. Alright, let's get back to it down here. Right around the edges. Right around where that pipe is. I think I got it now. I might just, cast this as work this in really fast. Yeah, that don't look so good, guys. That don't look so good. As much fishing as I can in before it starts pouring down rain. It was supposed to rain until about 7 again, but I think they're a little bit off. Yeah, that's some loud stuff, guys. Some loud stuff. Here we go. Run for run, 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 run. Don't want to get my camera wet. Don't want to. Which way is the wind blowing? Looks like here might be my best bet. Yep. The smell of urine. Ugh. Yeah, she's letting up and starting again, letting up and starting again. I don't know. Got everybody off the lake at least. Well, she's just lightly misting out here. I mean, I don't even need this casing with this. This is partially waterproof. Basically just designed for getting splashed on or mist on, but I think I can do this. I am going to leave all my stuff back here. And, yeah, I didn't film any of this the last time I came down here and had this happen. I guess this time I will. It's just torn up. The lame suckers can tear them things up that quickly. Yeah, I might be stuck out here for a while, so let me, turn her off and save the battery charge. Yep. Do I dare tempt Mother Nature? Do I dare? Well, I caught one bass for you guys today. This challenge might be continued for I have had very few of them, but a third day. We'll see here soon enough, but I might be walking home in the rain again. Walking home in the rain again. Why, me, Mother? Why?